Hi, in this video I will discuss some concern about this form factor or this mutantC case. So the first one will be the speakers. You can add some speakers if you want, it's up to you. So you just need to solder 3 wires and place some speakers here, and beneath the USB port you can add 2 speakers. I think Raspberry Pi supports stereo output, so you can add 2 speakers for left and right. And the next one will be the battery. I didn't add battery because it needs some circuits you need to solder in the main board, and that makes the main board complicated to solder for most of them. I wanted this thing, the mutantC, as simple as possible to put together, so I didn't add battery circuit. I'm working on an add-on that will use this port to use a LiPo battery or lithium ion battery that will give you, I think, 5 hours battery here. I think as there you can fit 3 AA batteries, so I think we can fit a very big capacity battery here, medium size battery. So I'm working on it. As soon as it finish, I will inform you in the Reddit or in the website or YouTube channel, this one. So subscribe to get more updates. So the third one is the screen. So this is a 4-inch screen. You can add 3.5-inch screen here if you want. Less than 4 is good because you can't fit, I think you can fit 4.5 inch here. I don't think you will find any screen that is 4.5 inch for Raspberry Pi. 5 inch you can't fit here. And these are the power LED, and this is the act, and this is the notification. I have to write the code for these two to light up, and you have to solder the 1K resistor. 1K will be good enough to power the LEDs. And the third one will be the keyboard. So I use this keyboard, this keys, because it's very reliable and the tactile feedback is very good. Also it is cheap, very cheap. So if most of them will last for 400 clicks. If breaks, you can replace them easily. So the tactile feedback is good. Also, one thing to mention is like it have 3 layout. You can change the layout by clicking this button once, twice, and third will bring up the first layout. So the first layout is the keyboard, second layout is the symbols like comma, full stop, question mark, blah blah, those symbols, and the third one is the gamepad. So the gamepad is like this one is the up, left, right, down. This is the A, B, X, Y, or X, Y, A, B, I can't remember. So this one is the left click, mouse click, left mouse click, and this one is the right mouse click. So it can act like a gamepad. I made a video about running games in my this mutantC handheld. You can watch it. I will add the link in the description. So the keyboard is very reliable. You can hear the feedback. Yeah, I think it's very good. So the third one, no, the last one will be the sliding mechanism. The sliding mechanism is good, but one concern is it can slide down too much, so I have to put something. I think I will add a screw hole, and you can attach a screw there, then after putting it together, then it won't slide down. There's no concern about the sliding up because there is a stop here. The width is not that much if you are holding it in your hand. Yeah, those are the concerns users are having. Okay, subscribe to this channel. I will add more update. Also, I am working for the version 2. It will improve. It will decrease the size. Let's see what can I do. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next video.